Izuku Midoriya, also known by his hero name Deku, is a superhero and the main protagonist of the manga series My Hero Academia.
Despite being born quirkless, nabigyan ng pagkakataon si Izuku na magkaroon ng quirk sa pamamagitan ng pagsasanay na ibinigay ng number 1 hero, All Might.
After his several months of extensive training with All Might, Izuku has gained ton of muscle.
And for the next 7 days, I tried Deku workout routine for 7 days.
But that's not all. Deku finished at last minute of his training na alisin ang mga basura sa tabing dagat.
And because I live in the rural, my goal at the end of the challenge is to renovate the volleyball ground.
One for all is the fullest physical ability of many people gathered into one.
An unprepared body inherited fully.
The limbs will come off and sasabog ang katawan.
And that is my first step toward becoming a hero. This is my friend Mark. Siya lang naman ang laging kasama ko sa training. Despite this kind of training, Deku had time to study. As a result, I'm also developing my skills at playing volleyball. On the third day, I started working on the volleyball field with my best friends. Time check, it's 9 o'clock at night. I'm still in training. But now the challenge is over, it's time to see if Deku workout routine really works. As a result of Deku exercise training, my body has changed. We move on to the renovation.
And I finally finished renovating the volleyball field so that my friends and I could play properly.
Ini yang ayaw. Kaya pa nabat ng uyak. Asa daw ni maabrik ko yang no? Smile, smile sa. Smile.
Dong.